In my video tutorial, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Wingman Clock. So Wingman Clock is the unwanted browser extension that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. The trouble with this extension is that it actually operates as a browser hijacker. It changes the default search engine settings of your browser without your real intention for that. So if this extension was mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome, you should undertake the measures and get rid of it. But first of all, let me demonstrate to you what exactly happens with your browser. As you can clearly see, this Wingman Clock is a new tab replacer. So it comes up in every new tab. And also when you submit any search queries, you get the results by some other unfamiliar or at least unwanted search engines. So if this extension was mistakenly installed into your Chrome, access the menu, go to More Tools, then Extensions. Now you need to disable and remove this Wingman Clock extension. I also recommend you to research your computer with the help of reliable antivirus software. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.